Why you should start investing in the stock market, direct stocks versus mutual funds explained. Have you ever wondered why people talk so much about the stock market? Why some retire early while others struggle financially? Today, we'll break it down, how investing in stocks or mutual funds can completely change your financial future. Let's get started. Saving money is safe, but investing grows your wealth. Inflation eats away at your savings. What 100 rupees could buy you 10 years ago might cost 150 rupees today. So, investing is not a luxury. It's a necessity to beat inflation and grow wealth. Let's say you invest 1 lakh rupees at 15% annual return. In 30 years, it grows to 66 lakhs rupees. This is called compounding. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. So how can you invest in the stock market? You have two main options. Let's explore. Direct stocks, where you choose and buy specific companies yourself. Mutual funds, where experts manage your money and invest in a diversified portfolio. Stocks can give higher returns if you're ready to learn and take risk, while mutual funds are easier, automated, and good for beginners. Let's say you invest 5,000 rupees every month in a mutual fund for 20 years at 12% return. You invest 12 lakhs in total, but your wealth becomes nearly 50 lakhs. That's the magic of consistent investing. If you love learning about businesses, stock analysis, and market trends, direct stocks may suit you. If you want hassle-free growth, without tracking markets daily, mutual funds are your friend. Yes, markets go up and down, but history shows that in the long run, equities have outperformed every other asset class, gold, FDs, even real estate in some cases. The key is long-term mindset and consistency. Start small, start early, but just start. Investing in the stock market, whether through direct stocks or mutual funds, is one of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make. Like, share, and subscribe to Invest to Grow for simple investing insights every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read them all.